Hi, I'm Nancy from Cooking Nancy's channel. I'm in the mood for experiment in my kitchen. I put in half a cup of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of organic coconut powder. First, I've beaten 2 eggs, and then I added some soya milk, about the same quantity of my egg. Was it 2 eggs? Oh, sorry, 1 egg. So I was experimenting, I forget. I only put 1 egg because I'm experimenting. And I put in equal amount of soya milk. And I beat up the mixture and then added in the flour. And also I put in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Right, so it's bubbling now a little bit, and I just mash up 2 ripe bananas and add to it, and I have added some organic coconut oil just to on the base with kitchen paper, and later I'm just going to bake it on a low heat. I'm Nancy, a cooking friend, giving you recipe ideas. I also have lots of cinnamon powder in there already. Okay, I love cinnamon. And also I've added in 1/4 teaspoon of xylitol in the mixture, which is actually optional because bananas are sweet. It's experiment, so I'm just doing whatever I feel like doing.